Hi, Assalamualaikum and a very good morning to all of you. Okay, so today we are going to discuss about the relationship between number of mole and mass of substances. Okay, last time we have discussed about the relationship between number of mole and number of particles. Okay, still remember what is the relationship? Okay, the number of mole equals number of particle divided by Avogadro constant. Okay, what is the Avogadro constant value? Avogadro constant value is 6.02 times 10 to the power of 23. Okay, so today we will continue about number of mole and mass of substance. Okay, first of all, you need to know and understand what is meant by molar mass. Okay, what is molar mass? Okay, in other words, molar mass is also known as RMM, the relative molecular mass. Jadi, molar mass is equal molecular mass. Okay, for example, for this one, water consists of H2O molecules, so the RMM of water equals 18. Also, the molar mass of water equals 80 gram per mole. Okay, so molar mass tu sebenarnya adalah RMM. Bagaimana awak nak cari RMM? Begitulah juga awak dapatkan dia punya molar mass. Okay, so you know about the molar mass. Next is what is the relationship? The relationship of number of mole and mass is here. Number of mole equals mass over molar mass. Okay, so we look at the question. Okay, sorry. Okay. Kejap ya. Okay, look at the question first. Okay, so example 6. Okay, example 6. What is the mass of 1 mole of aluminium? So the question asks you to find out the value of mass of aluminium. What is the mass of aluminium? Of 0.5 mole aluminium. So number of mole equals 1.5. Okay, the mass is 1.5 times 27. 27 is the molar mass of aluminium. Okay, so 1.5 times 27 equals 40.5 gram. Okay, kat sinilah awak tengok di sini. From this one. From this one, how to get the mass? So, number of mole times molar mass. Okay, next question. Example 7. How many moles of molecules are found in 32 gram of sulfur dioxide? Okay, now the question given to you, you are given the mass of sulfur dioxide is 32 gram. Okay, then you have to calculate the number of mole. Okay, now the same thing. So 32 times the molar mass of sulfur dioxide is 32 plus 16 times 2. Okay. Alright, macam ini. This one. Okay, this is the molar mass. Molar mass of sulfur dioxide equals 64. Then, number of mole of sulfur dioxide equals mass over molar mass. Mass is given to you 32 gram. Then, divide by the molar mass which is 64. So 32 divided by 64 equals 0.5 mole. Right? Okay, I hope you understand. Okay. Okay, next question. How many mole are found in 4.7 gram of potassium oxide K2O? Okay, now the number of mole, the mass given is 4.7 gram and the molar mass is 39. Okay. Okay, 39 times 2 plus 16. This is the molar mass of potassium oxide. So, the answer is 94. Then, the number of mole is 4.7 divided by 94 equals 0.05 mole. Okay, right? Okay, I hope you really understand what we have discussed. Okay, so for this latihan, okay, I want you to do activity 3.6, number 1 and number 2. Okay, number 1 AB and also number 2 AB. Okay, for question number 1, they ask you to calculate the mass. And for number 2, they ask you to calculate the number of mole. Okay, so it's the same thing. I want you to do this question. Okay. Next, number of mole and volume of gas. Okay. Sorry. Okay. This is the third relationship, number of mole and volume of gas. Okay. In chemistry or in your syllabus, you only have to know these three relationship for this time. Next time, when you discuss about chapter 8, okay, you will have another one relationship, but for this time you only have to remember these three relationship. Okay, the first is number of mole and number of particles. Number 2 is number of mole and mass, and the third one is number of mole and volume of gas. Okay, so this is the third relationship. Okay, first of all is about the number of mole and volume of gas. Okay, what is molar volume? Just now we have discussed about the molar mass. Now is molar volume. Okay, molar volume has divided into two. Okay, we have molar volume at STP and another one at RT or room condition, room temperature. STP stands for standard temperature and pressure, and RT is room temperature. Okay, for molar volume at STP, the volume is 22.4, the molar volume. And the molar volume at room temperature or room condition is 24 dm cube. Okay, this one you have to remember. The molar volume at STP and the molar volume at room temperature or room condition. Okay, then you don't have to worry in exam. They will state, they ask you to calculate the volume of the gas in room temperature, for example, or calculate the volume of the gas at STP. Okay, they will mention to you. Okay, dia akan bagi tahu kita nak cari dalam apa, dalam STP ke dalam room temperature. Okay, in STP the volume is, the molar volume is 22.4, and in room condition the molar volume is 24. Okay, first. Number 2 is the relationship. Now, the relationship between number of mole and volume of the gas, or Vg. Okay, volume of gas, symbol is Vg. Okay, and molar volume is Vm. this is molar volume. Okay, so this is the relationship. Number of mole equals volume of gas divided by molar volume. Okay, as I said just now, molar volume is divided into two, in STP and also in room temperature. Okay, then next is we look at the question. Look at the example. Okay, example 9. Calculate the volume of 2.2 mole of hydrogen gas in dm cube at STP. Okay, I forget to mention, in order to calculate the volume of the gas, okay, the unit must dm cube, unless the question asks you to convert the unit. Okay, the unit we convert to cm cube, so you divide by 1000. Okay, selalunya dia tak bagi tahulah. Kalau dia tak bagi tahu, that's mean unit is dm cube, unless dia minta kita convert to cm cube. Okay, so you divide by 1000. Okay, so example 9. Calculate the volume of 2.2 mole of hydrogen gas at STP. Okay, nampak tak? Now they mention about STP. So, you have to remember the molar volume at STP is 22.4. Okay, now what is the volume? Okay, just now the formula is mole, okay, equals volume of the gas, okay, divide by molar volume. Okay, now the question is VG. They ask you to find the VG, volume of the gas. Okay, so volume of gas equals number of mole times molar volume. So number of mole given is 2.2 mole. So 2.2 times 22.4. So you will get the answer in the unit of dm cube. Okay. Okay, next is example 10. What is the volume of 0.01 mole of ammonia gas in cm cube? Okay, see here, the unit is cm cube. So, nanti you have to convert to cm cube at room condition. Nampak, dia dah bagi kita. Okay, so the volume is number of mole times molar volume at room condition equals 0.01, stated here 0.01 times 24 is the molar volume at room temperature. So the answer is 0.24 dm cube. Okay, so this is not your final answer yet, because the question asks to convert to cm cube. So 0.24 times 1000 equals 240 cm cube. Okay, so 0.24 times 1000 you akan dapat dalam cm cube. Okay, I hope you really understand what is the question all about. Okay, and then example 11. How many moles of oxygen gas has the volume of 600 cm cube at room condition? Okay, kena tengok kat sini. The volume given is 600 cm cube in room condition. First of all, you have to convert this volume to dm cube. So 600 divide by 1000, you akan dapat 0.6 dm cube in the unit of dm cube. Okay, now kita dah dapat volume dalam unit dm. Now the question is how many mole. So use this one. Okay, use this formula. Mole equals Vg over Vm. Vg is 0.6. Okay, 0.6 divide by Vm in room temperature is 24. So equals 0.025 mole. Okay, unit kena tulis ya. Kalau tak tulis, minus 1 mark. Okay, alright. So, the answer is 0.025. Okay, I hope you really understand what we have discussed just now. Okay, so for the next one, I want you to do activity 3.7. Question this one, question number 1. Question number 2 and question number 3. Okay, I repeat activity 3.7, exercise 1, 2, 3. Okay. Okay. Next is, okay, this is the last part for mole concept. Okay, now what is the relationship between the number of mole, number of particle, mass of substance and volume of gas? Okay, this one you kena tahulah dia punya relationship dia, kena tahu dan perlu hafal. Okay, supaya nanti awak tak confused. But for this time, I just direct to the question. Okay, so that you will understand what is the relationship. Okay, example 12. What is the volume of 26.4 gram carbon dioxide at room condition? Okay, first of all, when this type of question come out in your exam, you have to calculate the number of mole. Okay, bila keluar soalan macam ni, set dalam kepala awak, number of mole mesti the first one. Okay, number of mole is ibarat macam ibu dia. Okay, first you have to find out or you have to calculate the number of mole for this type of question. What type of question? Mole concept question. Okay, this is the mole concept question. Example for SPM format. Okay, then what is the volume of 26.4 gram of carbon dioxide at room condition? Okay, first of all, you have to calculate the number of mole. Number of mole of what? Number of mole of carbon dioxide gas. Okay, for this one, sebab dia bagi kita mass. Okay, then macam mana kita nak dapatkan number of mole? Okay, by the mass given. Mass given is 26.4. Okay, from mass given, and you have to calculate the number of mole. What is the relationship between mass and number of mole? Just now we have discussed about it. Okay, so the relationship between number of mole and the mass is mole, okay, equal mass over molar mass. Okay, molar mass of what? Molar mass of carbon dioxide. Okay, then mole yang kita nak cari, mass is given, mass is 26.4. Okay, so divide by the molar mass. Molar mass of carbon dioxide is, okay, CO2 is carbon dioxide. The molar mass equals 12 plus 16 times 2. Okay, so you will have 44. So this is the molar mass of carbon dioxide. Okay, so mass is 26.4. Divide the molar mass equals 44. We'll have the answer 0.6 mole. Okay, that is number 1. Okay, you dah dapat number of mole. Now, the question is, what is the volume? Okay, volume at room condition. Now, you have to relate what is the relationship between volume of gas and number of mole. Just now we have discussed number of mole equals, okay, sekejap mole, number of mole equal, sekejap saya conteng tempat lain lah. Sekejap ya. Okay. Mole equals volume of gas divided by molar volume. Just now, mole yang kita kira tadi, kita dapat 0.6. Okay. Dan Vg yang kita nak cari, the unknown, divide by Vm. Vm is the molar volume at room temperature in the question 24. So Vg equals 0.6 times 24. So you akan dapat dia punya jawapan in the unit of dm cube. Okay. Alright. Okay. Okay, I hope you understand. So this is the answer lah, 14.4 dm cube. Okay. Alright. Okay. Next question. This is the last example. Then I will stop. Then I will continue with another video because it is already 11:25 p.m. not a.m. Okay. So I need to sleep and my kids also need to sleep because tomorrow is a school day. So they have to sleep lah because my children standard 2, they start the school session tomorrow. Okay. So this is the last before I stop and I will record another video, then I will continue. Okay, next is example 13. How many molecules are there in 672 cm³ of hydrogen gas at STP? So this is the keyword. The keyword is STP and the volume. Okay, so sekarang ni kita nak kira number of mole dahulu. Number of mole of hydrogen gas. Okay, now they give you the unit cm³. Then first of all, you have to convert the cm³ unit to dm³. Okay, so cm to dm, you have to divide by 1000. Okay, so 627 divide by 1000. So the answer is 123 0.627 dm³. Okay, so this is the volume in the unit of dm³. Okay, and you have to find the number of mole first. Remember, I have mentioned before, for this type of question, mole concept, you have to find the mole first. Mole. Remember mole. Okay, so this is the volume. What is the relationship between mole and volume? Okay, just now we have discussed about it. Okay, mole equals volume divided by molar volume. Okay, now we need to calculate the mole. The volume given is 0.627. Okay. Then you need to calculate the mole. So 0.627 divided by the Vm in STP. Okay, so divide by 22.4. Okay. Let's say the answer is 0.5 mole. Okay, ini katakan ya, sebab saya tak kira. Okay, so from this mole, okay, you need to find out or you need to calculate the number of molecules. Number of molecule is number of particles. Okay, now what is the relationship between number of particles and number of mole? Okay, number of mole equals number of particles divided by Avogadro constant. Okay, then the question is about this one. You have to calculate the number of molecule. The number of mole, just now kita dah kira. Kita dapat 0.5. Okay, So, number of hydrogen molecules is 0.5 times Avogadro constant is 6.02 times 10 to the power of 23. So, you akan dapat jawapan dia. Okay. Unit dia is molecules. Okay. Alright. Okay, I will stop this video. Okay, next time I will continue. Maybe tomorrow evening mungkin. Tengoklah macam mana, sebab tomorrow ada exam. Jadi awak tengok yang ini dulu, and then saya akan continue malam, dan saya akan post semula untuk awak tengok next video. Okay. Okay, so that's all from me. Okay, I hope you understand what we have discussed just now. Okay. Wait. For your exercise, okay. For your exercise, I want you to do exercise 3.9. Okay. Exercise 3.9, activity 3.9. Question number 2, A, B, C, D, and E. Okay. So, question number 2, A, B, C, D, E. Okay. You tengok soalan yang ini. Soalan E. A reaction release 120 cm cube. Okay. Remember, you need to convert to dm first. How? Divide by 1000. You divide by 1000, then you will have the unit dm cube. Okay, then you will calculate the number of mole, and then find the relationship between mole and mass, because the question asks you to find the mass. Okay, then you dapatkan dia punya jawapan. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you so much for your attention. See you tomorrow with the next video. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you so much.